Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Today we are making chicken dum biryani. Dry roast whole biryani masala for 2 minutes and keep it aside. Fry onions and keep it aside. Now let's get started to marination. To that I took chicken legs, you can take any other chicken. Add green chilies, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, coriander powder, biryani masala, salt as per your taste, chili powder as per your spice, mint, coriander leaves, lime juice, fried onions, use half and another half you can use later. Curd, mix it nicely. Now add oil, mix again, add cream and little butter. Mix well and marinate for 2 hours. In a vessel, take more water. There is no measurement to it. To that add cloves, cardamom and shahi jeera, cinnamon, bay leaf, salt and oil and bring it to a boil. Now add washed basmati rice to boiling water and semi-cook about 70% for 5 to 6 minutes and drain it. In a vessel, put marinated chicken and spread it evenly. Add half glass of water so that it won't get burned at bottom. Now put semi-cooked rice and spread it evenly. Now on top of the rice, add mint and coriander leaves, remaining fried onion, lime juice, oil. You can use turmeric milk or saffron milk. It gives nice color. And ghee. Now cover with foil and close the lid with heavy weight. And put the vessel on thick tawa and cook it on high heat for 10 minutes and 30 minutes on medium heat. After 45 minutes, nice aroma. Check the rice from bottom. Chicken is cooked perfectly with fluffy rice and there is no burnt at bottom. Enjoy yummy and tasty Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Foodie Bites channel.